Hello everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts today. We are going to be getting into an LG 55UN6950ZUA. We're just going to be pulling the boards out of this unit. If you need any help, if you have any questions, you can give us a call at 1-800-203-7484 and let's get right into it. So the first stop, here's going to be the power supply board. We've got these two clips here and here that we want to get out, and then we're going to have about 5 screws going around the outside that we want to get out as well. This clip here, you just want to pinch it and then pull straight out. This one is going to be pinched down and then remove it away from you. Do be careful of these cores, they're going to be pretty fragile. Now we're going to grab our screw gun and just go ahead and get these screws out of the board. And that should be it for the power supply board. It comes right out. So now we are at the main board. We're going to want to get these clips taken out before we get to the screws. So we're going to start with these ribbon cable connections here. You just want to get your fingernail up underneath the ribbon cable and pop them up. And you do want to be gentle while you're removing these, that you're not putting any unnecessary pressure or stress onto the ribbon cable. You don't want any creases. You don't want to pinch it or anything like that. Those come out really easily. This clip right here, you're going to pinch down, depress the 2 little buttons on the side, the tabs, and it should just slide right out. And any time that you're seeing this where you're getting one side that's coming out, just put the whole plug back in, pinch down the sides again, and just try one more time. This one's giving me a little bit of an issue. All right, there it goes. Now we're gonna get this ribbon cable connection out first, just so we can free up a little bit of space to get to this clip. It's the same thing, we're gonna get our fingernail up underneath it, pop that flap up, and then we're just gonna slowly remove this out. And we do wanna be gentle with it, so we're not creasing it or causing any damage to those connections. Now this one, we're gonna get our finger up underneath the wires here, pinch down on this flap on the top, and it should just come right out. Now it looks like we've got all of the connections out. What we're gonna do is grab the screw gun, pop these 4 screws out, and we should have this main board free from the chassis. And that should be the main board in this unit. All right, pretty easy stuff today, just getting the boards out of that unit. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any questions. If you want to go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you do subscribe, you can receive 20% off your first order through TV Parts Today, and we will see you next time. Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.